just started a keto diet? This Arman Liew, known as the big man's world keto ideas, are your answer. Most people assume that a keto diet lacks variety and is very repetitive. In some situations, this is true, as there is quite the laundry list of ingredients that are not keto-friendly. However, with some creativity and some quick planning, you can enjoy something different every single day and with minimal effort. In this video, we will discuss top 10 easy keto ideas by Arman Liew, but before that, make sure to subscribe to us for more videos and tap the bell icon to get notified with every new video from us. So, let's dive into the video. Number 10. Chicken Parmesan. The secret to the perfect chicken Parmesan recipe is frying the chicken before baking it in the oven. You never risk any soggy chicken, even when the sauce and cheese are baked on top. The chicken cutlets are perfectly crispy on the outside and moist on the inside, and it's topped with marinara sauce and 2 kinds of cheese, giving you an incredible flavor hit. You can get Arman Liew's recipe on the description. Number 9. Hunan Beef. This Hunan beef is an easy and delicious stir fry made with tender steak strips, crisp vegetables, all in an authentic Hunan sauce. No thickeners or sugar-laden sauces needed. It's keto-friendly but full of flavor. Hunan beef is a flavorful dish that has origins in the Hunan province of China. Their dishes are known to incorporate plenty of hot and spicy flavors and common cooking styles like stir-frying and sautéing. This particular recipe is one of the simplest yet delicious dishes of them all. It's a spicy stir-fry with hints of sweetness and sourness throughout. You can also get Arman Liew's recipe on the description. Number 8. Keto Stir Fry. This recipe for a keto stir fry will be your go-to easy weeknight meal, loaded with fresh low-carb vegetables and sliced chicken and covered in a delicious stir-fry sauce. This all comes together in 10 minutes. The secret to any good stir fry is the sauce you cook everything in, and this go-to keto stir-fry sauce worked perfectly as the base. It works well with any veggies or protein you choose to use. Don't forget to get Arman Liew's recipe on the description. Number 7. Orange Chicken. This keto orange chicken is a quick and delicious dinner that takes less than 15 minutes to make. Better than Panda Express, the sticky keto orange sauce takes it to another level. It's made with battered chicken covered in a sweet and sticky orange sauce. Now, traditional orange chicken isn't keto-friendly, but you can easily make some switches to make it low-carb. You can get Arman Liew's recipe on the description. Number 6. Cheeseburger Casserole. This keto cheeseburger casserole is an easy, one-pot dinner that takes seconds to prepare. Made with real low-carb macaroni and full of gooey cheese, it's a healthy, family favorite dish. If you are the kind of person who prepares dinner at the last minute, one-pot casseroles are always a winner. This cozy, comforting, and incredibly recipe is full of cheese, ground beef, and plenty of bacon. You won't believe it is actually healthy. You can get Arman Liew's recipe on the description. Number 5. Stuffed peppers. These keto stuffed peppers are a quick, easy, and healthy dinner recipe that comes together in less than 20 minutes. Filled with ground beef, cauliflower rice, and topped with melted cheese, everyone will beg for seconds. There are some who say the colors change the carb count, but they are incredibly negligible. Regardless, the bell peppers play a star role in these stuffed peppers. These keto stuffed peppers recipe is one you'll make on a weekly basis. Tender and juicy peppers filled with a Mexican-inspired beef and cauliflower mixture, topped with plenty of cheese. It's the kind of dinner that comes together in minutes and something the whole family will love, keto or not. You can get Arman Liew's recipe on the description. Number 4. Eggplant Lasagna. This recipe for eggplant lasagna replaces the lasagna noodles for eggplant for the ultimate healthy dinner. Made with simple ingredients, it's perfect for a filling yet low-carb meal. When it comes to low-carb lasagna recipes, we love a classic lasagna and a zucchini lasagna. Now, we've been obsessed with this eggplant lasagna. The secret to the perfect eggplant lasagna is to roast the eggplant slices before assembling them all together. This ensures perfectly soft eggplant and the overall lasagna to never be watery. You can get Arman Liew's recipe on the description. Number 3. Zucchini Lasagna. This recipe for keto zucchini lasagna is one for the books. Zucchini slices layered with a rich meat sauce and creamy cheese mixture. It's so comforting and never watery, you won't believe it is low carb. Who says you can't have comfort food on a keto diet? You can make a classic lasagna or some mac and cheese. The secret to the best zucchini lasagna is drawing out the moisture from the zucchini before layering it up. This guarantees no watery lasagna ever. You can get Arman Liew's recipe on the description. Number 2. Sushi. This keto sushi uses vinegared cauliflower rice instead of traditional rice and tastes just as good. Easily customizable, it takes minutes to prep. By definition, sushi is vinegared rice, with added sugar and salt, that has a variety of toppings added to it. The key ingredient is the rice itself, which is not keto-friendly. While there are keto sushi options like sashimi and sashimi salads, they aren't the same thing. Fortunately, Arman Liew, as someone who used to enjoy sushi on a weekly basis before starting a keto diet, found a way around it using a sneaky little trick. You can get Arman Liew's recipe on the description. Number 1. Pizza Casserole. This keto pizza casserole has all the best parts of a pizza all baked together, creating the ultimate low-carb comfort food. Cheesy, meaty, and made with 5 ingredients, it takes just 20 minutes to make. It's not a surprise that we enjoy pizza-inspired meals on a weekly basis. Even though we follow a low-carb diet, there are plenty of keto recipes that taste just as good as the original. This keto casserole is made with real low-carb pasta, and we use a rotini in this dish. There is also no cauliflower needed, which is often used in other keto pizza recipes. It needs just 5 ingredients to make and requires a simple prep. You can get Arman Liew's recipe on the description. Those are the top 10 easy keto ideas by Arman Liew. Hope you got some value. If so, make sure to subscribe to us for more videos and tap the bell icon to get notified with every new video from us. See you in the next video.